Hi. Good morning to all the 10th and 12th students, all of India. I'm not talking to only a Karaikal or Pondicherry region. This message is to for all 10th and 12th students. And very good morning to all the parents of 10th and 12th standard students. I know that you are all be a little bit scared or panic, and parents particularly will be more panic than students because your board exams are maybe another 8 months for 10th standard and 12th standard. Maybe for 11th standard, it is almost only 20 months from now on. The countdown has already started. So the panic is because of the pandemic. And you hardly have 8 months only. So how we are going to prepare? The schools are not open. There is no physical classrooms. So what is going to be my son or daughter's future? And student feels how I am going to write the exams. All these things, I'm telling you, an excuse. As a parents, we can say that blackboard teaching is the best one. Of course, there is no question on that. But today, we live in a digital world. The world is living in a digital world. India also started feeling that. And today, the digital classroom is the one of throughout international, throughout national, or throughout globally, it is being followed. So when the system is available, how can you say an excuse? We cannot accept it. Okay, as I said, it is only 8 months left. When your son or daughter is very comfortable with the Google, with the Facebook, with Twitter, with any other apps, why cannot he sit and listen the classroom teachers? It is possible. I am telling you, the students are more capable digitally than our generation as a parent generation. Students, I am telling you, you are more capable, you are more comfortable in digital classes than opening a book and reading a book and understanding a book. You are more comfortable in all the apps. Only issue is you'll have to sit in front of the classroom, online classes, and listen and interact and understand and write the answers, questions. Okay? For all these things, you require only one good laptop. The parents should support this. I request all these parents of 10th and 12th, particularly even 11th also, get one laptop to your ward. That will give a great help and great boost to them to prepare their board exams. Because when the online classes is the only option right now available, there is no question of talking about issues, blackboard teaching is best. I am not coming for that argument. But the only option left out for all of us is only the digital online classes. So we'll have to grab the opportunities, no other option for us. That is the only option is available. So you will have to procure one laptop to award maybe a worth of 30,000, 35,000 rupees. That is a good, decent configuration. You can procure it. That will give you a better result for your son's board exams. And you'll be happy and it will be kind of a real boost to your son or daughter. So that is one request I'm putting to all the 10th and 12th, 11th parents also, because as I said, we were talking about earlier AC, BC and AC. Okay, BC means before Christ, AC means after Christ. That is what the era we used to talk. But today we talk about DC. The term is completely different. A BC is a before Corona, a AC is an after Corona. When it is going to start, we don't know. And we live in a DC era. A DC is a during Corona period. So during this era, how long it is going to be? It is going to be 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. Nobody knows, neither of us. Okay, so we'll have to go along with this Corona. We live some time, maybe 1 or 2 years, 3 years. We don't know. There is no excuse for this. Okay, this issue is not only for a particular student. This is a national level issue, and all the students of 10th and 12th, they are facing it. So we cannot say an excuse. If one particular student is getting affected because of this, then that can be an issue. But cannot be an issue, and this can be a national issue. And throughout India, the government will take necessary steps towards that. That we'll forget it. Okay. Right now, the option available with us is only a digital, the classes, Let us attend the classes seriously. Let the students, your dear students, yourself, you have to take the classes seriously. You have to believe yourself with a conviction, with a commitment. Definitely, you can achieve the results what you want. Okay, I am sure, damn sure about it. Only little extra efforts you have to put. I can compare these to cricketing terms. The pitch is very bad, but you're all good batsmen. I'm talking about 10, 11, and 12 students. You're all good batsmen. The pitch is a bit bad. I mean, the era, DC era, is a pandemic era, definitely a tough pitch like what you are going to face. The bat is with you. I mean, the good books are with you. Okay? Now the bat is with you. The ball is coming like a board exam. Okay? Now, how you are going to negotiate the ball? Whether you're going to negotiate the ball, if you have a complete alert, if completely alert and very careful, you can negotiate the ball carefully or leave it to the wicketkeeper hand without touching it based on the merit of the ball, because the pitch is very so bad it can bounce any height or it can hit you also. So you'll have to negotiate the ball carefully. You see the alertness what is required in that. So that is the situation where you are right now. If you are little careless, you are clean bowled and back to pavilion. So that is the situation. It is in your hand now. The books are there, the teachers are there, parents are there, government is there, everybody is there to support you. But if you don't put your efforts, if you don't take your initiative, if you don't have a commitment, if you don't have a conviction, can you imagine what the results? Okay, you can achieve it with all our supports. You have all the support systems. As I said, teachers, parents, government, public, everybody is there to support you. Grab it. Have a full commitment. Prepare little. Put extra effort. Burn midnight oil. Definitely you will achieve what you want in board exams. Okay? What you aim, you'll get it. Certainly get it. With all the support system. With all the support system. Okay? Wish you all the best. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Bye-bye.